Hi all, today we are going to discuss this problem in mathematics, which is the 450 divided by x equal to 450 divided by x plus 5 plus 15. How we are going to solve this math problem in a very simple way. So what to do, just divide 450 by 15 and by 15 by 15 we will get 30 by x, then 30 by x plus 5, then 1. In the next step, x plus 5 and cross, so we get the 30 plus x plus 5 plus 1 equal to x plus 5. If we multiply x with this and 30 with this, we get 30 into x plus 5 equal to x into 35 plus x. Up to that much is clear, I think. After that, just multiply after opening the brackets, we get 30x plus 150 equal to 35x plus x square. Next is, for this strategy we need factorization process, so that we divide 5x into equal to 15x minus 10x minus. So how this thing coming, just to need factorization of 150. Suppose if 150 is there, we just divide 50 is a 10, so 50 into 10 equal to 150. So that's why x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 equal to 0. Next is, if we let x common here, then x into x plus 15 in bracket minus 10 into x plus 15 also in bracket equal to 0. So if we take common x plus 15, x minus 10 will be in bracket equal to 0, and there is a formula that if the x into y equal to 0, suppose in this way, then we can separately divide that x plus 15 0 and x minus 10 equal to 0. So that's why we got two values of x equal to one minus value minus 15, another value is x equal to 10. So usually many mathematics problem we neglect the negative values, so the solve answer of this mathematics will be x equal to 10. Thanks for watching this mathematical tutorial. I will update with new mathematical problem. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.